So today I want to talk to you guys about the NINJA Foodi XL Grill. Now, as you can see, since this is a food item, well, a grill, I am inside the makeshift kitchen. So, I did take some pictures and some video on using this unit. Now, this comes with a book, a 42-page book of 15 recipes plus charts on how to use it, because it also is an air fryer. Now, anyone who's ever used an air fryer will probably agree with me. It's probably one of the best things. I love it. I can make French fries quick, and also onion rings, and you don't cook in all that grease and oil. You know, when you deep fry food. It comes with this amazing book. It's a 42-page book. It's got lots of pictures in it, lots of great recipes, and color pictures. And one of the things that I wanted to start off making were hamburgers. And it explains to you that when you put in your hamburger, to put it on, well, like for grilling, of course, that you just go ahead, and it's a beginner recipe, which is great for me. So the prep time was 10 minutes. It does preheat once you turn it on, and it tells you to insert the grill plate pot and close the hood. That's when you're going to push the grill button, and it defaults to high. Now, the different temperatures on here are low, medium, high, and max. So it goes from 400 degrees all the way up to 510 degrees. So, for instance, on the 400 degrees on the low, it suggests bacon or sausages. For the medium, which is 450 degrees, frozen meats. On the high, which is 500 degrees, it suggests steak and chicken and burgers. And that's actually what it's defaulted at. And the max, which is 510, is veggies, fruit, and pizzas. Now, it doesn't take that long to cook. Now, I'm going to use hamburgers as an example, and these were pretty thick burgers. So with the hamburgers, of course, I just prepped them. I didn't make any fries or anything, but when you put the hamburger in the grill, once it's preheated, it sets a timer off at 9 minutes. And I thought, well, how can it be done in 9 minutes? But halfway through, it tells you to flip the food. So I flipped the burgers, and they came out amazing. They were juicy. They were not cooking in all that grease. The grill grate does have holes in it, so anything, any juices, any fat or anything goes down to the bottom plate, which is good and very easy for cleanup. So it's something that I totally suggest, because I love grilling hamburgers. There's just something different about the taste of a grilled hamburger instead of one cooked in the skillet. And so I did that. I did not make any fries yet, but it is also an air fryer and a dehydrator. So there's 3 great different uses for it. But you have some great recipes in here, and I can go over a couple. There's one for a chicken, one for pizza, one for fish and asparagus, where you can cook your fish, and then as your fish is resting, like a couple minutes left, then you throw your asparagus in, which is really good. And then you can put in your chicken, you can put in, you know, really anything else. It does also give you some recipes for some marinades for your chicken or your fish. It gives you recipes for dipping sauces and spice rubs. And these Kickstarter recipes, they show you everything, how to prepare your food and how to get the best out of your NINJA grill. But just like with this barbecue chicken, look how delicious this looks. And I'm going to tell you, the pictures don't do it justice. Even my pictures don't do it justice, because it comes out so delicious, so juicy, and I've been using it every night for a week. Not just for this review, but because I do love to eat. So, like flatbread pizza, you can make corn on the cob in here. You can make grilled apple tarts. Now, don't those apple tarts look delish? So you have a wide variety of recipes here. You have so many options to do your cooking for your whole entire family. And clearly you could fit 6 to 7, maybe 8 cheeseburgers inside the grill, depending on the size. Also steaks, you can fit maybe 4 or 5 of those steaks in there. There are just unlimited possibilities to cooking and enjoying the food that comes out of this. I love food, but I love grilled food. And I love grilled food when you can cook in the house and when it's not going to fill up the house with smoke. So this is nice. The NINJA Foodi XL Grill. You guys, check it out. I'm going to put a link in the description under the video. I hope you take a look at it. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time.